Okay, all my followers on YouTubes and other people that will watch this, please pay attention. I need to show you a Chinese scam. Please watch the entire video. What's going on is the Chinese posting all those fake advertisement that some people really stupid and to believe that there are real ads. For example, there is a rock ray over here for $92, and the reason I'm doing this video is because they're using my shop videos that I'm doing on YouTube for you guys to see the real product as their videos. So they selling this car for $92. They claim it's $300 car. No, it's not. This is $750 super rock ray, and they're using my videos and other companies videos, and there is other vehicle here. This website called iGoodos, it's igoodos.com, and they have all fake merchandise. You're never gonna get nothing. They're just gonna steal your money. It's a Chinese ripoff website. Now what I want you to see is this. So I got earlier through Facebook, one of my customer was sending me a message and he want to buy this for $100. It's a great deal. And then I go and I press here on their video. And when you look on their video, let's lower the sound. They stole this beginning, and this is me at my shop. And I did not approve them to do any of this. This is me showing the real vehicle. The real vehicle sell from Horizon Hobby, and we sell it here at MotoStyle. But this is not me. They just using the video and images of me. If you go to RC Monster Garage, this is the real deal. This is the real vehicle. That's, of course, there's a stupid commercial popping up. Let's let it pass. Okay, skip the ad, and this is the real video of what you're going to see. This is how I start my videos. Okay, and I show it with another vehicle. So this is the real deal. Now let's go back here. This website is one of the websites that's ripping off everybody right now, so you have to be very careful. And they come out with all those advertisements on Facebook. So when you click their link on Facebook, this is what will pop out, and then gonna be a small link right here, and this link, when you press it, will take you to their website right there. But let's go back to the link. When you go to the link, you can see there's a lot of people reviewing this and say, oh, it's gonna be very cheap and everything. I already post for you guys that we are MotoStyles, and this is a scam. Do not buy from this company. MotoStyles is the real hobby shop, brick and mortar, that you walk through the door to buy stuff. This is just a Chinese ripoff. This is another guy that they stole this first part of the video. When you press on this video, it's a fake video. So please be careful. Everything that you guys see online through Facebook is fake. You're never gonna get anything. They're using the fake ads on Facebook because a lot of people being very stupid, and I cannot emphasize the word stupid enough to explain that. People think that they're saving money, that they're screwing the shop owners. Oh, it costs $93 versus $1,000 at a hobby shop. It's not cost $93. They're just taking your $93 and running away with your money. You will not get anything. So please do not give them money at all. This is all the ads that you see online. Stuff not go cheaper online. It's just a complete ripoff. A couple years ago, I did a video on another thing that they copy from us. We got a product that we did, like, and it was a mask of the Predator, and they claimed that they sell them for $32, and we told people not to buy them. It's a $1,000 mask made out of carbon fiber, and people go ahead and bought it and got absolutely nothing. And the other trick that they do, they will send you a box with some garbage in it, and for PayPal, you got something in the mail. It means that you got your product and you screwed now. You lost your money. So please don't be stupid. Do not give them any money. For example, Rockway. Rockway for $92. Traxxas. I hit Traxxas. But over here, they're selling you Traxxas for $89. This Traxxas is a $500 car. There's other vehicle that they stole from other companies. I deal with all those companies. I know what is real, what is fake. You're not going to get anything. When you go to contact us, there is a telephone number here, a 323 telephone number. You should go and call this telephone number because you will get absolutely nowhere. This is a completely rip-off. Please do not give them any money. Again, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. You can contact me for more information, but do not give those Chinese website a dime. It's all fake.